Hello guys, so today we're going to go over two-step equations. So you can probably guess we're going to be doing two steps to solve this type of equations. All right, the way that we're going to be working this is exactly like we did the one step. We're going to look at pendants and we're going to be working our way back. Okay, so we have a lot of stuff going on, right? I have a 6. I have a 4 over, let me see, a over 4. And then I have a 2 over here. Now, the way that you want to work every single problem today or in this video is that you always want to leave the letter alone. So we're going to have to move everything else to the other side. Now, I'm going to be moving everything to the left, mainly because my letter is on the right. Now, if I had a letter on the left, then I would move everything the opposite way. So I just want to leave the letter where it's at. So I want to leave it right there. So that means I'm going to have to move everything else over. So let's go ahead and start with this one. All right. What does PEMDAS says? PEMDAS is going to tell us that we need to do addition and subtraction first. So I'm going to do that, right? Because we do have a division here, but we're going to worry about that one at the end. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my line like I always do on the equal sign, and I'm going to do +2, or actually -2 on both sides, because I have to go ahead and do the opposite of whatever I have. So -2. -2, that becomes 0, and we bring this whole thing down. So now I have a over 4 is equal to, what is 6 minus 2? 4. At this point, I have a division. So if you remember, what is the opposite of division is multiplication. So I'm going to have to multiply in order to get rid of that 4. So I'm going to multiply by 4 on both sides. Those two cancel each other out. Well, they become 1. And over here, I have a multiplication, 4 times 4. So what I have is, on my right, I have a by itself. And on my left, I'm going to have 16. Now, I don't like to put the number first, so I'm just going to change position on both of them. So a is equal to 16. Okay, pretty easy. Now, let's do a different type of problem. That was 1. Now I'm going to do 3. Same thing, I'm going to move everything, but guess what? I'm going to be moving everything to the right this time because my letter is on the left. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to put my line right here. I'm going to start with addition and subtraction. So I'm going to be moving the 7 first. So +7, those two cancel out. And guess what? Those two cancel out too. So I'm going to have it 0 equals 9x. Now, what is the opposite of multiplication? Because those two are multiplying is division. So I'm going to divide both sides by 9. So x is going to equal to 0. Because anything, 0 divided by anything is still 0. So that is it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over all the other 12 problems that I have here. So I'm going to kind of zoom out, copy all the problems, see if you guys can work them out by yourself. And if not, go ahead and watch the videos. I'm going to show how to do every single one. I'm just going to spit forward it a little bit. That way it's not super long. All right. Thank you guys for watching.